If you're like me, you have a lot of folders and files and versions of your projects. Especially After Effects, it creates all these folders and all these different versions. You may not have as many as I do, but how to make sure that you're turning in the right files. We're going to use a feature of After Effects called dependencies. But first, let's save this with a cleaner name. File save as. And I'm going to change the date. And to reduce the number of characters, we're also going to remove everything except your name. Let's do the same thing for the composition. Nope, it already renamed it. So let's go ahead and collect these files. It's File, Dependencies. I've chosen the Scratch folder so it's really separate from everything else, making it easy to spot as the one that I just did. Notice it added the word folder at the end. And now I have a folder in Scratch with the name of the project and the word folder. In there we've got our After Effects project and a footage folder with any Illustrator or audio files that may have been used to create your animation. You're going to turn in the files that you see in here. So again, that is the, backing up, After Effects project, and anything in footage related to your project. So in this case, it would be 3 files, because I made a separate copy in order to redo those tentacles that are in the animation. So we'll need any files that appear in here because they were used in your project.